How do you converse in Bahasa Sūg? How do you ask the name of the person you just met in Bahasa Sūg? That and 4 other very useful and very common conversations in this episode. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad and this is Tausug 101, Learn Bahasa Sūg. Today we will teach you 5 very common, very useful conversations or questions, their variations, and the proper way of answering them as well. So, are you ready? Get a pen and paper and let's begin. So na! Okay, number 1, first on the list is the question, what is your name? How do you ask someone in Bahasa Sūg this question? So simple, you say UNU IN NGAN MU. UNU is the equivalent of the English question what. In ngan means the name. Mu is a possessive pronoun for the second person being talked to, which is you. It can be roughly translated as your. So when you say in ngan mu, it means your name. So when we combine them all, UNU is what, in ngan mu, your name. So what is your name is UNU IN NGAN MU. So how do we reply? We say in ngan ko hi, then you add your name. For me, my name is Ahmad, so I'll say in ngan ko hi Ahmad. In ngan, again, the name. Ko is a possessive pronoun for me, the first person who is talking, and you add your name. So in ngan ko hi Ahmad or in ngan ko Ahmad. Simple, so simple. But this is not the only way of asking someone his name. There's another way of asking it, which is HISIYU kau. HISIYU is the English equivalent of the question who, person. Kau, not the cow, not the sapi mu, not that one. Okay, kau is can say means you, ikaw, from the word ikaw, you. So when you ask HISIYU kau, it means who are you in English. It is more of an informal way of asking someone his name. Who are you? HISIYU kau. Biro ka lang. Who's angry anyway. So you answer it, you reply this by saying ako hi Ahmad. Ako is me. Hi Ahmad. Your name. Your name. You just say your name. So HISIYU kau. Ako hi Ahmad. So there are 2 ways of asking someone his name. First, formal way. UNU IN NGAN MU. What is your name? You replied by in ngan ko hi Ahmad. My name is Ahmad. The other way is HISIYU kau. Who are you? And you replied by ako hi Ahmad. My name is Ahmad. I am Ahmad, brother. Simple, just 2 ways. The second question is, how are you doing? Or how are you? In Bahasa Sūg, you say mauno-uno kau. Mauno-uno na kau. Mauno-uno is the equivalent of the question how in a conditional way. It is derived from the question unu, what. But when you make it mauno-uno, it becomes how. Then kau is you. So mauno-uno kau is how are you. The article na here in the mauno-uno na kau is a modifier signifying current state or condition. What is happening now. To answer this with I am doing fine, you will say murah-murahan day sama ko. Murah-murahan can mean doing good, doing well, murah-murahan. And daisab can mean, daisab means as well. And ako, as mentioned earlier, is me. So, murah-murahan day sama ko, I'm doing well, I'm doing fine. So, again, mauno-uno na kau, how are you doing today? And you reply with murah-murahan day sama ko. Our third question is the question, how old are you? So, how do you say it in Bahasa Sūg? In Bahasa Sūg, you say, pila na in umul mo. Again, pila na in umul mo. Pila is the equivalent of the question, how many, numerical, in numbers. Na is a modifier that would mean what is happening right now. In umul means the age. Mo is a pronoun, which means your age. So, pila na in umul mo. How old are you now? Pila na in umul mo. How old are you? So how do we reply? Let's say by saying I am now 20 years old. So you say in umul ko, then you add your age in numbers, then tahon, you add the word tahon, which means years, and na. So when we say I am now 20 years old, you say in umol ko 20 is kauhaan in Bahasa Sūg. So in umol ko kauhaan tahun na. So in umol, the years, ko is me or my, in umol ko, then kauhaan 20, you add tahun, years. In umol ko kauhaan tahun na. I am now 20 years old. To learn more about the numbers in Bahasa Sūg, you can check the link below about the numbers. But if you don't know how to use the numbers in Bahasa Sūg, you can just use the English numbers. Like you just say, in umol ko 20. That's okay. It's okay. Again, pila na umol ko? Ay. Again, pila na umol mo? How old are you? In umol ko kauhaan tahun na. I am now 20 years old. Question number 4. The question, where are you going? In Bahasa Sūg, you say, harap mo pakain. Harap can mean in front or towards the front. So here it means going somewhere. Harap mo is again the pronoun you. Pakain is derived from the question hain, which means where. So when you say pakain, towards where, to where. So when you say harap mo pakain, it means in English, where are you going? Harap mo pakain. Again, harap mo pakain, where are you going? So you answer this by saying, let's say I want to go to the market, I'm going to the market. So you say, harap ko pa tabo. Tabo means market. So harap, to where, ko is me, pa is towards, then market. Harap ko pa tabo. You can change the word tabo to other place like masjid, school, harap ko pa bay, going home. But there's another way. There's also another way of asking, a shorter one. You say, pakain kau. Pakain again means where, kau is you. So where are you? So where are you going? You just say, oh, pakain kau. Where are you going? And you reply by saying, patabo ako. Patabo to market. Ako is me. So I'm going to the market. Okay? So we have two. You say, harap mo pakain. Where are you going? Harap ko patabo. You answer, I'm going to the market. When you say, pakain kau. Where are you going? You say, patabo ako. I'm going to the market. Number 5 and the last question is, how much is this? In Bahasa Sūg, you say, pilasin in ini. Again, pilasin in ini. Pila is the question, as we already discussed earlier, which means how many or how much. Sin means money. So how much? How much does it cost? In is the article da, and ini. You use the word ini when referring to something that is very close to the one speaking. Usually it's being held by the one who is speaking. Ini. When it is something that is a little farther out of reach but still there, you use the word yan. Pilasin in yan. If it's a little farther out of reach of the one who's speaking, you say yadtu. Pilasin in yadtu. So pilasin in ini, how much is this? Pilasin in yan, how much is that one? And pilasin in yadtu, how much is that one over there? You can also replace the word ini, yan, yadtu to other objects that is being referred to. Like example, you want to ask the question, how much is this ball? You say, pilasin in bola ini. Or pilasin ista ini. How much is this fish? Simple. Replying with the amount of how much, we use the following formula. First, we start with in ini, in yan, or in yadtu. Then the amount in numbers. Again, check the lessons in numbers below. And then you add the word pilak. Pilak is the currency used by the Tausugs way back in the Sultan. It's like it was centuries ago. But now, it is roughly equivalent to the word peso. So pilak is peso. So if we want to say 20 pesos, this is kauhaan pilak. So in ini, hambog pilak, that means in ini, this is 1 peso only. In yan, kauhaan pilak. That one is 20 pesos. In bola, katluan pilak. The ball is 30 pesos. Simple. So today, alhamdulillah, we learned 5 very useful questions and the proper way of answering them. They are 1. UNU IN NGAN MU. What is your name? And you reply with IN NGAN ko hi. State your name. For me, NGAN ko hi Ahmad. Or you can also say HISIYU ka, which means who are you? And you reply with ako hi, your name, Ahmad. Ako hi Ahmad. Second is the question, mauno-uno ka. How are you doing today? right now, and you reply with mura-murahan da isa bako, I'm doing just fine. Number 3 is pila na in umul mo, how old are you now, and you reply with in umul ko kawaan taon, or in umul ko then the number of your. Number 4, harap mo pa kain, where are you going, and you reply with harap ko pa then the place you're going to. In our example, we use the word tabo, market, so harap ko pa tabo. You can also ask pakain ka, where are you going, where to are you, and you reply with patabo ako to the market. Ayan. That's Yoda. I'm going to the market. And lastly, pilasin in ini, inyan, inyat to, or the object you want to ask about, in bola. So how much is this, or is that, how much is that, and you reply with in ini, the amount in numbers, like kauhaan means 20, in ini kauhaan you add pilak, in ini kauhaan pilak, or in bola ini kauhaan pilak, the ball, this ball is 20 pesos. 5 is the question. With these 5 new questions you just learned today, you can now speak with a Tausug very easily, no sweat. So just keep on reviewing these questions and use them as much as you can. So if you think this video helped you a lot, please like the video, and if you think this didn't help, just dislike it and just tell me how I can possibly improve this. If you have other questions, just comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, because hopefully, inshallah, there will be more videos to come. Because here in Tausug 101, we want you to learn Bahasa Sūg the easy way. Again, in ngan ko Ahmad, and this is Tausug 101, learn Bahasa Sūg. Oh wait, I want to thank my friend who gave me this t-shirt. Tausug, Mamata, Adam, thank you for this very colorful shirt from Sulu. Although I think it's too colorful for me. Thank you, magsukot. Again, in ngan ko Ahmad, and this is Tausug 101, learn Bahasa Sūg. Salam kasilasa. Bye-bye.